Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to upload high quality videos on TikTok. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to upload or allow high quality video on TikTok is go ahead and open the TikTok application on your phone. So once opened, click on the plus button to start uploading. Then select your video, and then go ahead and search for the video you want to upload to your TikTok account. Once you've selected the video, go ahead and click on next. Now, before you upload or post your video on TikTok, click on more options. Once you click on more options, scroll down, and then make sure to turn on allow high quality upload. High quality video may take longer to process, and after that, click outside, then add your video description, and then click on post. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.